This switch turns my dust collector system on, off, or to automatically turn on anytime the spindle starts spinning. I leave the switch in this position most of the time. It's so nice not having to remember to turn the dust collector system on for every job. I just start my job, and the indicator light turns on, and the dust collector comes alive. When a job's done, the dust collection automatically turns off. And the GS20 series drives make this super easy to do. This is a list of everything we need to do. In a nutshell, we're going to tell the drive to send the drive as running signal to digital output 1. We'll then use that to enable a solid-state relay to turn on the dust collector. I like solid-state relays, but you could also use a mechanical relay or a contactor here if you want to. Then we'll add a switch so we can manually control the drive if we need to. Let's do it. First, we need to tell the drive to use digital output 1 for the spindle's running signal. That's parameter 216. It says the full list of options is shown in parameter 2.13, so we'll go there. There's lots of things that digital outputs can be used for, but we want to know when the drive is running the spindle. That's this guy, which says we need to enter a 1 in parameter 2.16. Well, we're done configuring the drive. That was easy. Now we run a wire pair from output 1 and a digital common, which are shown here on the diagram inside the drive's cover. I'll add one wire to output 1 and another to its digital common. I love these clamping connectors on the GS20 drives. To release a wire, just press this little button and pull. These Ferruels make wiring with the clamping connector super easy. Just shove them in. The clamping connectors are super secure, and you never have to worry about keeping screws tight. Take those two wires to your switch, relay, or contactor of choice. I'm using this one in this demo, but I put several options for you to consider in the description below the video. Just make sure that whatever you choose uses 24 volts DC as the control signal. Now run the dust collector hot wire through the other end of the relay. Package it however you want. Mine's buried in the control box because that's what I happen to have laying around. Either way, you now have a control box that will make your dust collection system come on every time the spindle starts spinning. To add manual control to this, simply add a switch that does this. This is how mine's wired. The switch I used can only turn on one of these contacts at a time, with the center position being both contacts off. The part numbers I used are in the description below. That's it. We're done. You don't even have to reset the drive. The reassignment of the digital output takes effect immediately. I'll start a short job, and sure enough, the indicator light and dust collector turn on when the spindle starts spinning. And stop when the spindle stops. Perfect. This is the final schematic and parameters used in this video. I added a note showing that you could use output 2 just by using parameter 2.17 instead of 2.16, or use the relay output by using parameter 2.13. I used output 2 for my drive ready indicator. I like knowing when the drive is ready, but more importantly, I like knowing when the drive is completely powered down, which can take several seconds. Waiting. Give it a second. There it is. Now the drive is powered all the way down. Check out this video to learn how to do that.